Introducing the Mapleside skid steer grader blade. Precision grading power that transforms any skid steer into a professional grade finishing machine. From driveways to construction sites, achieve flawless surface preparation every time. Engineered with dual reversible, curved 1/2 inch by 6 inch high carbon steel blade cutting edges for maximum durability and superior cutting performance. When one edge wears, simply flip it over. Double the life, double the value. Replaceable bolt-on adjustable skid shoes give you precise height control and enable perfect crown formation on laneways for optimal water drainage, while the curved blade design ensures smooth, consistent results across any terrain. Choose your perfect fit from 5, 6, 7, or 8-foot widths to match your project scale and skid steer capacity. Compatible with standard skid steer quick attach systems for instant versatility. Canadian-made quality with a 2-year limited warranty. The Mapleside skid steer grader blade doesn't just grade surfaces, it perfects them. Transform your skid steer. Choose Mapleside.